Hello, everybody. Hello, my friends. Hello. So, today's video, I'm continuously looking at the monitor because I've caught myself with lipstick on my teeth about 66 times now. I'm going to try to keep an eye out for it. If you see lipstick on my teeth, you know, give it, girl, hey, check your teeth. Just let me know. So today's video is going to be my July favorites. So we're going to keep it the same as we do every single favorites video, where I have 10 products that I want to share with you because I have been loving them so much during the past month. Now this particular month I actually have like this much makeup and beauty products because I've been wearing makeup a lot as far as July goes. I have just kind of been over here living my life, doing some skincare, dressing fabulously, out of focus. You saw me notice me. You know, just living my life barefaced. So I have a lot more like lifestyle, fashion type items in this particular favorites video. So buckle up, kiddos. Let's get started. Alright, so since I have so few of them, I'm going to go ahead and talk about my beauty products first. So this product is the Belief The True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is what it looks like. It's in this gigantic, just stupid large packaging. I'm not a big fan of the packaging, but the product inside, yes bitch, please. So this is what she looks like in there. I don't want to spill any of it. It's so precious. It's just a very bright, vibrant blue color. It is like a water gel type formula that I love so much. But, oh hello. Did I miss something? But my oily ass skin really enjoys this type of moisturizer. It's just like it absorbs like that, and I can immediately put on makeup and I'm ready to rock and roll. Camera, honey. I know you're tired. I'm tired too. Right here. Here's the star of the show, honey. This is fabulous. The next product is something, is kind of one reason why I haven't been wearing a whole lot of makeup this particular month, because I have this product. So it is the De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. It does give you a little bit of a bronzed glow whenever you put it on, so I wouldn't put it on and like your body be hella pale, because I've done that too and doesn't look very cute. It just makes your skin look so good, and that's really all I'm out here after, is it to like look and feel so good. This product really does it for me. I recently was at the beach enjoying my life, and I put this on almost every single day, and it just kind of like, it just felt right, you know, like yes, bronze goddess, like I loved it. Alright, so the very last like makeup-y type product is this one right here. This is not a new product by any means. This little baby girl came out a while ago. This is the Maybelline Matte, like nude matte or something along those lines. It doesn't say, but it's just one of their, it's a Maybelline nude matte lipstick, and I have mine in the shade Beige Babe. It is 545. That is what she looks like right there. Mine's a little crusty and busty looking. I have just kind of went in, honey, on her. Poor little thing has lived a life. This is just such a like nude shade of lipstick. It does it for me. Alright, so the very next product is this this little ditty right here. I take him everywhere with me whenever I travel because one, I can't be without false lashes, ew, and two, it's so convenient to keep everything about your false lashes in this little guy right here. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. So this is the House of Lashes, just kind of like lash case. I like that it has a mirror on the inside of it, and then of course you can stack up to 3 lashes right here. I have been known to like throw some on top of each other. So it actually comes with a mini glue that just sits comfortably right in there, and then I also put like my tweezers and my little applicators right in here also, with maybe some extra glue or anything else that I may need, scissors, whatever, for my lashes. So everything just fits in this little convenient, beautiful case. Alright, so the next product is this one right here. Oh, guess what it is? It's a hairbrush. It is, it's my hairbrush. I only ever use it, so like don't be super grossed out by it. I swear to God, it's clean. Like I literally like clean it. I do, I swear. This is a wet brush. I'm just going to turn it around like that. Since I've started using it, I have seen such a huge difference as far as my hair goes. My hair doesn't break off like it used to. Like, this brush is just so freaking tender on your little baby hairs. Like, so gentle. I love to use this when my hair is wet. Obviously, that's why it's called the wet brush. I can put on, like, my leave-in products and then just kind of, like, brush it through very gently, eventually getting all the way through it. And this brush, it just does such a good job, whereas like a regular hairbrush would just be sitting over here ripping out 400 strands of hair that I'm never going to see again. And I swear my hair has grown 400 more inches because I've started using that baby. Now we're kind of entering the fashion slash lifestyle realm. So I'm going to grab this guy. You guys have seen this before. It is not new for my channel to kind of show this off, but I use it so much, like literally every single time that I travel, no matter where it is, no matter how long I'm gone. This is the makeup bag. That's what I'm talking about. This is the makeup bag that I bring with me, so it is not new. Little disclaimer, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there, even though I do not have to justify my purchases to anybody for any reason, because like if you're offended, I don't care. I'm not bragging, I'm not showing off, I'm just showing you what I have and the thing that I love. So if you don't have to love it like I do, but I love it, so that's that. The makeup bag that I take with me every single place that I go is this one right here. It is a Louis Vuitton cosmetics bag. It is like the large toiletry bag, and it has like this really long French name that I don't, for one, don't know how to say, and for two, I don't even remember really what it is. This bag, to me, it is just perfect. It's huge. Like, look at that baby. She got some girth to her. I'm gonna open her up. I will show you empty what she looks like. So she's got these little fellers in here that just kind of hold on to all of my little gadgets and goodies in little things, and then a little pocket flapper dude right here, and then of course obviously here is like the main area. So everything that I need as far as my makeup goes fits so conveniently within this bag, and then I can just zip her up and move about my day. The next product, I guess I'll show you my other like fancy item, just like get it out of the way so we can have them like back to back, and then those of you who are like freaked out by this shit can like decompress and we'll move on together. This is something that I have worn 900 times since purchasing because I love it so much. This is my baby. So this here is something that has been a favorite of mine in the month of July. Once again, not showing off, just showing you something that I love. So this is my Gucci belt, the double G belt. This is the larger version, like the 1-inch, I think is what this is. I have mine in size 85. The gentleman at the store, like, he was really helping me out as far as sizing goes. I thought I was going to be a 90. I put it on. It was huge. I put on this 85. Truthfully, I could probably have even gone smaller. For the fit that I'm looking for, with kind of like the variability as far as like, do I want to wear it on my waist? Do I want to wear it up on my hips? Do I want to wear it up here underneath my tits? Like, wherever the hell I want to wear it. This belt was probably the best, this size was probably the best option for me. So, like I said, this is size 85. So this is the textured leather. I mean, obviously you can see right there, it has a texture to it. It is not smooth. The G's are obviously smooth. They are gold. And if you know me, like, personally, I was wearing a Gucci belt, like, dupe forever. And I was like, one day, I'm going to get me that Gucci belt, baby. One day. Girl, I'm going to get me that belt. And then I did. Dreams come true. Work real hard. Okay, the last 3 items. This video is already too long. This grungy ass thing. What is that you say? 1990s is calling and they want their visor back. No, I'm keeping her. Let me explain why I have this really fashion forward item. No, I don't hate visors. And if you hate visors, something wrong with you. Okay, so this is obviously an Adidas visor. It used to be black as night, and it's kind of grungy now because I'm a piglet. No, I wore it to the beach, and you know, beach and dirt and filth. I wanted a visor because I love hats. Don't get me wrong, I am a hat kind of gal. I have a lot of hats. I just get so hot so easy, so I need something with a little aeration, you know, so my head don't get the dang hat. So that is the reason why I got me a little visor. And it kind of like lets the top of my hair get, you know, bleached by the sun. Alright, so the very last 2 items. Let me grab this one because it's the same brand as the last one. These are probably my favorite shoes that I have owned in a very long time. So these are my Adidas slides. Ew, they are filthy. Cute. They are just, I mean, there's really not a whole lot fancy to them, except for they are made, I swear to God, out of clouds. They are the comfiest things that I've ever put on my feet. I have worn them out so much. There's really not a whole lot more to say about these shoes, other than they're cozy. And they're clouds. They're made from clouds. Jesus kind of sewed them together and was like, here, babe, have your shoes. That's going to make someone angry. The very last product, number 10. Another thing, if you know me personally, or if you follow my Instagram, which will be linked down below, is that you will know that I love high-waisted denim. So these are a pair of high-waisted shorts that I wear pretty frequently. These ones are my favorite out of all the ones that I have right now. So this is what they look like right here. here. So these are Levi's in style 505. I really like the 505s and the 550s personally. That's just kind of like the fit that I prefer. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed learning all about my favorites. I'm going to sit down now because I look crazy. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. Still gross every time. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!